Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Talk Emma, the podcast where we learn real English together. Easy, simple, fun, and always useful. I'm Emma.
And I'm Jack. Hello, everyone. So happy to be here today.
Okay, Jack, how are you doing today?
I am doing great, thank you. Although, I have a small question for you.
For me? Okay, go ahead.
Would you rather have tea or coffee right now?
Oh, tea. Definitely tea.
Really? You prefer tea to coffee?
Always. I would rather drink 10 cups of tea than 1 cup of coffee.
10 cups? That is very specific.
I feel very strongly about tea, Jack.
I can see that. And do you know what? Without realizing it, we just used today's topic.
We did! Did everyone catch that? Would you rather, you prefer, I would rather.
3 different ways to talk about preference, about what you like more, what you choose.
And today, we are going to look at all 3, simply, clearly, with real examples.
Because these 3, would rather, prefer, rather, they confuse so many learners.
They look similar, they feel similar, but they work differently.
And today, we fix that forever.
But first, if Talk Emma is helping your English every day, please subscribe to the channel, like this episode, and share it with one friend who is learning English.
We upload a brand new episode every single day. Okay, let's start.
Okay, first things first. What does prefer mean?
Prefer means I like this more than that. I choose this over that.
It is about your general taste, your usual choice, your personality.
I prefer tea to coffee.
In general, always, tea is my choice, my preference.
She prefers walking to driving.
In general, she always chooses walking over driving.
He prefers quiet places to noisy ones.
His personality, his general taste, quiet over noisy.
So prefer is about general preference, what you usually like more.
Not just today, not just this moment, in general, always.
Now, the structure of prefer.
2 structures, both important.
Structure 1. Prefer plus noun plus to plus noun.
You say, I prefer tea to coffee. She prefers cats to dogs. He prefers winter to summer.
You cannot say, I prefer tea than coffee, because after prefer plus noun, we use to, not than.
To, always to, not than.
I prefer mountains to beaches.
Or, I prefer mountains than beaches. This is wrong here.
Remember, prefer plus noun plus to plus noun.
Structure 2. Prefer plus verb with ing plus to plus verb with ing.
You say, I prefer reading to watching TV. She prefers cooking to eating out. He prefers walking to taking the bus.
Both verbs get ing, both sides.
You cannot say, I prefer read to watch TV, because both verbs need ing after prefer.
Reading, watching, cooking, eating, walking, taking. Both sides ing form.
I prefer swimming to running.
Or, I prefer swim to run. This is wrong here.
Prefer plus verb with ing plus to plus verb with ing. Always.
Now, would rather. And this one, I think, is the most fun to use.
Why fun?
Because would rather has energy, personality, feeling.
Yes. When you say I would rather, it sounds like a strong personal choice.
Almost passionate.
Like Emma and her 10 cups of tea.
Exactly. I would rather drink 10 cups of tea. Nothing else. Only tea.
So would rather means I prefer this option. I choose this. This is my strong preference right now.
And it is often used for specific situations, this moment, this choice, right now.
Not always general like prefer, more specific, more immediate.
Structure of would rather is would rather plus base verb.
No to, no ing, just the base verb, the simple form.
You say, I would rather stay home tonight. She would rather walk than take the bus. He would rather eat pizza than cook.
You cannot say, I would rather to stay home, because after would rather, no to, just the base verb.
I would rather stay. I would rather to stay. This is wrong here.
No to ever after would rather.
And in spoken English, would rather becomes I'd rather.
I'd rather stay home. She'd rather walk. He'd rather eat pizza.
Much faster, much more natural in conversation.
Native speakers almost always say I'd rather, not I would rather.
Although both are correct, I would rather is just more formal.
I'd rather, casual and natural. I would rather, formal and clear.
Both fine, both used, just different situations.
Now, would rather with than.
Yes, because when you compare two options, you use than.
Would rather plus base verb plus than plus base verb.
You say, I would rather stay home than go out. She would rather cook than order takeaway. He would rather walk than drive. Two options connected with than. Option 1, what you prefer, after would rather. Option 2, what you don't prefer, after than.
I'd rather drink tea than coffee.
Tea, my preference. Coffee, not my preference.
She'd rather watch a film than go shopping.
Film, her preference. Shopping, not her preference.
They'd rather stay quiet than argue.
Stay quiet, their preference. Argue, not their preference.
You cannot say, I would rather stay home instead of go out, because after would rather we use than, not instead of.
Than, always than when comparing two options.
I'd rather walk than drive.
Or I'd rather walk instead of drive. This is wrong here. Would rather plus base verb plus than plus base verb. Always. Now, let me tell you something funny about my friend Clara.
Oh, a Clara story. Tell us.
So, Clara, lovely person, was learning English, and she wanted to say, I prefer staying home to going out at night.
Okay, simple enough.
But she got confused between prefer and would rather, and she said,
What did she say?
She'd rather staying home to going out.
Oh, two mistakes there.
Two mistakes. Can everyone spot them?
Mistake 1. After would rather, base verb, not ing form. You cannot say, I would rather staying. You say, I would rather stay.
Mistake 2. After would rather, we use than, not to. You cannot say, I would rather stay to going out. You say, I would rather stay than go out.
So the correct sentence, I'd rather stay home than go out.
Or, using prefer, I prefer staying home to going out.
Two different structures, two different words, both correct, both natural.
And poor Clara, she mixed the two together.
Which is understandable. They are similar in meaning.
Very similar in meaning, but different in structure.
That is the key. Same meaning, different grammar.
And once you know the structure, you will never mix them up again.
Now, rather without would, just rather alone.
Oh yes, because rather can also appear without would.
And it means something slightly different.
Rather alone means quite, fairly, more than expected.
That film was rather good.
Quite good, more than I expected, fairly good.
It is rather cold today.
Quite cold, fairly cold.
She is rather quiet. This use of rather is more British English.
Very British, actually.
Yeah, very British actually.
And you will hear this a lot in British films, British TV shows, British podcasts. Like this one.
Like this one, exactly.
Now, would prefer, because this also exists, and it is important.
Oh yes, would prefer is the more formal version of would rather.
Same meaning, but slightly more polite, more formal.
And the structure is different from would rather.
Would prefer plus to plus base verb.
Notice would prefer uses to, but would rather does not use to.
This is very important.
You say, I would prefer to stay home, or I would rather stay home.
Both correct, but I would prefer stay home or I would rather to stay home, this is wrong here.
Would prefer plus to plus verb, correct, or would rather plus verb, no to, correct.
One uses to, one does not. Remember this.
And in spoken English, would prefer becomes I'd prefer.
I'd prefer to sit by the window. She'd prefer to leave early. He'd prefer to work from home.
Natural, casual, very common in conversation.
And would prefer with two options, would prefer plus to plus verb plus rather than plus verb.
You say, I would prefer to walk rather than drive. She would prefer to cook rather than eat out.
Notice would prefer uses rather than when comparing, but would rather uses than when comparing.
I'd prefer to walk rather than drive. I'd rather walk than drive.
Same meaning, different structure, both natural.
Let's do a quick comparison, all three together. Same situation, three different ways to say it.
Perfect. Situation, you're choosing between pizza and pasta for dinner.
Using prefer, I prefer pizza to pasta.
General preference, always. Pizza over pasta.
Using would rather, I'd rather have pizza than pasta tonight.
Specific choice, tonight, this moment.
Using would prefer, I would prefer to have pizza rather than pasta.
More formal, more polite. Same meaning.
Three sentences, same preference, different structures, different situations.
And all three, completely natural, completely correct. Now, would rather for other people, because this is a very useful and very natural use.
Oh yes, when you want someone else to do something or not do something.
Would rather plus someone plus past simple.
You say, I would rather you came with me.
I want you to come. My preference is for you to come.
She would rather he didn't smoke in the house.
Her preference is he does not smoke in the house.
I'd rather you didn't tell anyone about this.
My preference, you keep this private.
Notice, after would rather, person, we use past simple.
Not present, not infinitive, past simple.
I'd rather you came. We use past simple, not present simple. We use came here. You cannot say, I'd rather you come. Come, present simple, this is wrong here.
Same rule. We use didn't, past simple negative, not don't, present simple. You say, I'd rather you didn't tell anyone. Correct. You cannot say, I'd rather you don't tell anyone. Don't, present simple, this is wrong here.
Would rather, person, past simple, always.
And this sounds very natural, very polite, very real.
Much softer than saying, please don't do this.
I'd rather you didn't do that. Soft, polite, kind.
Don't do that. Direct, strong, maybe harsh.
Would rather softens the request, makes it more human.
Which is very English.
Very. We love softening things.
Let's do our favorite part, a natural conversation using all three. Prefer, would rather, would prefer.
Okay, let's imagine Saturday afternoon, you and me, planning our weekend.
Perfect. Emma, what do you want to do today?
I'd rather stay in today, actually. I'm quite tired.
Really? I was thinking about going to the market.
I'd prefer to go tomorrow morning rather than today. Is that okay?
Of course. What about lunch then? I prefer cooking to ordering takeaway.
Me too. I'd rather eat something homemade than get food delivered.
Great. I was thinking pasta or pizza. Which do you prefer?
I prefer pasta to pizza, actually, but I'd rather you chose. It's your turn to cook.
Fair enough. I'd rather cook than do the dishes anyway.
Perfect. I'd prefer to do the dishes rather than cook, so we both win.
And did everyone catch all the uses?
I'd rather stay. I'd prefer to go. I prefer cooking. I'd rather eat. Which do you prefer? I prefer pasta. I'd rather you chose. I'd rather cook. I'd prefer to do.
9 uses, 1 natural Saturday conversation, all correct, all flowing.
And it didn't feel like a grammar lesson.
It felt like two friends planning their weekend.
Because that is what it was. Real English, real life, real conversation.
Common mistakes, quick and clear.
Mistake 1. You cannot say, I prefer tea than coffee. You say, I prefer tea to coffee.
Mistake 2. You cannot say, I would rather to stay home. You say, I would rather stay home.
Mistake 3. You cannot say, I would prefer stay home. You say, I would prefer to stay home.
Mistake 4. You cannot say, I'd rather you come with me. You say, I'd rather you came with me.
4 mistakes, all fixed, all clear, all simple.
Before we finish, I want to say something.
Learning English is full of choices. Every sentence, you choose a word, a structure, a form.
And sometimes choosing feels hard.
But with every episode, every lesson, every small rule you understand,
The choices get easier.
you would rather speak confidently than stay silent.
You prefer learning to giving up.
And I'd rather be here teaching you than doing anything else right now.
Because you matter to us, every single one of you.
Keep going, keep choosing, keep learning. If this episode made prefer and would rather finally click,
Please like this video.
subscribe to Talk Emma, new episode every single day.
Share this with one friend who confuses these words.
And leave us a comment, would you rather drink tea or coffee? Write your answer using would rather or prefer.
We read every single comment, every one.
Thank you for being here. See you in the next episode. Until then,
Keep talking, keep learning, and keep growing. Bye, everyone.